Hey guys, this is part 6, 82 Chevy, and the truck's all running. I also made some bumpers for it. Nothing special, I just had recovery in mind, and it's all made out of 1/4" material. Has 6 9/16 grade 8 bolts, and I also put these 11,000 pound D-rings on. And for the rear, same thing. Like I said, I just had recovery in mind. Nothing fancy. 6 9/16 bolts, D-rings, 1/4" material. And I also got a new line coming off the bulkhead for the tank. Remember the last video, it was the line was too short. And I am gonna make something to protect the tank. Not sure what I'm gonna do yet. And I still got to do the exhaust. I'm running these full-length headers right now, and as you can see, the new shackles I put on are thicker material, and I had to grind the flange coming off the collector just so I could get the shackles on, so I don't like that. I'm gonna I did order some shorty headers, and plus I'm gonna run new exhaust pipe, and I have mufflers for it, but we could get it fired up. And I still got some work to do the interior. The power windows don't work, so I'm gonna switch it over to roll-up windows, and plus I ordered some door panels for it, some black door panels, so clean it up a little bit. And instead of running the line off the regulator to the ignition switch, I just ran it off this separate switch down here. This is easier for me to hook up. Flip the switch, give her a couple pumps. And she sounds pretty obnoxious without headers, but let's go look at the steering. So yeah, the steering works really good. It's one finger to turn these tires like that. I also put new transfer case mounts on too. Polyurethane. So that's where we are right now. I still need to cut the fenders. It does rub, even just pulling out of here it rubs. And I still need to run new exhaust, put the headers on, hook up the e-brake cable down there, and get the front end re-geared because I pulled it out of my old 4x4. So this is where we are, and thanks for watching.